Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. The last time y'all saw a video from me was in 2018 where I did an apartment tour in my last apartment. I said I was gonna do some updates. I did do the updates, but I never came back with another video. So here we are doing quarantine. We staying home and staying safe, which I hope everybody's doing. But I'm like, you know what, why not start my YouTube back up? I mean, I got a decent amount of views last video. Let's try it again and see what the new townhouse that I moved into. So today will be a townhouse tour, unfinished. So what I plan to do for real this time is give y'all an updated townhouse tour once I'm done. So make sure you stop right now. You like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more updates that I do in my townhouse. It's a 3-bedroom townhouse in the suburbs of Detroit. It's nice, it's decent, it's for me and my man and his kids. So y'all will see me in the next clip giving y'all the apartment tour. Thank you. All right, everyone, welcome to my home. This is when you first walk in. I have a little small bathroom when you first walk in the front door, and this is just for my guests. You know, just to use the bathroom when they're here. We have a little foyer right here where we kick off our shoes as soon as we walk in. And then we have a little closet here. And this is where we just put the shoes and coats, the vacuum, the wood for our fire pit, and everything. That's just it for that closet. And then we have the living room over here to the right, and it's simple for now, but I do want to add some stuff. I got this little ladder type of shelf thingy at home, and of course, like, this was like at my old apartment, so this was a while ago. And then I got all my picture frames and things like that at Dollar Tree and Marshall's and things like that. Me and my man, me, him and his daughter, me and my mom and my brother. I gotta put something in there. Just family down here. I gotta add some pictures of my man family. It's just all my family up there. And then this couch I got at Art Van. I wanted to get the matching piece, but Art Van went out of business. Then it's the ottoman to go with it. I got this clock at, I think I might have got that at Burlington. And then I have this little console TV stand type of thing that I got also at Art Van, which I love. I will never get rid of this thing. I love this thing. And then I got my sound bar. If y'all don't know, Best Buy do open box. So I got that for super cheap with the subwoofer at Best Buy open box. Excuse this room. This is the dining room. That will not be staying there. That is so small in there. That was from my old apartment. I also got that from Art Van. I got this mirror as a gift from my mom at my old apartment. And I just got some candles lit right there. I need to go get more flowers. Y'all gotta excuse that. But I usually just keep flowers right there. And then here's my kitchen. Super simple, but it's cute. It's better than my last apartment. Keep appliances there. Got my little kitchen sign from Meyer, because that's the only place that's open. And then my dining room, I'm sorry, it's like a little kitchen up area where you just have a table that I got here from Gardner White. And then I have this little area where I put my microwave. We keep the lawn chairs over there because we have a patio right there. So we just keep them there so we can just, you know, grab them and go outside. And that's just that little area. And then we have a downstairs basement, which is completely not finished at all. So it's split up into 2 parts. This is the finished side where we could add like maybe a little bar here and some bar stools, some little decor on the wall. And then you have just this little finished side over here where we can put a couch, a TV, a good hosting area. Excuse that little unicorn thing at the bottom. My boyfriend's daughter be down here more than anybody on her hoverboard. And then on this side, We just have my boyfriend's weight bench and the washer and dryer. Just a little, you know, laundry room. Then we go back up the stairs. And we have a third floor. Let me turn off those lights. Excuse me if I'm out of breath because it's a lot of stairs in here. So, upstairs, we have the 3 bedrooms. This is my boyfriend's daughter room. So cute, right? She got her little LED lights. And then over here, we have his son's room. Here's the second bathroom. So cute. This is from my old apartment. I probably need to change it kid friendly for the kids, but we shall see. However, though, I got this shower curtain at Walmart, shower caddy at Marshall's. Rest of this stuff was at Michael's and Home Goods and Candle, Bath and Body Works. And here's our room. When you first walk in, we got this table. Oh, excuse me. I'll be making wigs, y'all. But anyway, we have this table here that I got off of Amazon, along with those candles from Amazon. Got those flowers from a dollar store. Then we have his nightstand with him and his daughter here. Got a little candle lit from, I don't know where I got that from, maybe Myers. And then this is my side of the bed, where I have a picture of me and him with my blue letter A that was downstairs. We got our bedroom set from Gardner White. We are definitely not finishing here because we have so much space. We need to add, I want to add something on this wall, maybe like a mirror. Excuse those blinds. I put the curtain rod up too high, so I'm gonna bring that down so it can hit the floor. And then we have a bathroom in here. So it's pretty nice. So this side is like 2 closets for me. Then he has 2 closets. And then we have a little small bathroom with a shower back here, which is pretty cool because we don't have to, you know, go out in the hallway. The kids can have that bathroom out there. And then we have the guest bathroom downstairs. So it's pretty nice. I really want to do some updates. I want to add like some wallpaper, maybe on this wall in the living room. Right here, I want to add, for my last tour, we forgot about the bar cart. Can't forget about that. My favorite. I got another picture of us right there. Wild Lemon Happy to 1 hour. To match with the blue and silver, I have 3 bottles of Relax Riesling. I got this from Z Gallery. I can't remember. I think I got that shaker from Amazon, that glass from Amazon. Then I just got those lanterns down there from Michael's. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully I can come to you guys again with a updated video like I said last time, but we shall see. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any suggestions about what I should add, what you don't like, anything that you think could make this space pop. Thank you so much, and see you guys in the next video.